Hello, this is my FASCO ceiling fan. It's an imported model, but this one is extremely rare. This being because it is like no other import FASCO I've ever seen. Has a huge spinner motor, like 188 millimeter. It's huge. And I don't think this one is made by Halsey like the other FASCO imports were. It's still 3-speed in reverse, this one is, but it has stencil blades. I don't have the downrod and mount for it, so it just is hanging by binding wire. So I have to hold it when I turn it on to keep it from twisting. It does wobble a little because one of the blades is bent. Oh, and also, look at this unique switch cap. It's bottom mounted. Very cool switch cap. But yeah, it has a big motor in it, and yes, it is a FASCO. It says so on top. And I got this at Habitat yesterday, along with a Supreme spinner. Well, I'm gonna turn this on. Let me see if I can set this camera down somewhere, because I have to use one hand to hold it, one hand to use the pull chain. Let's see how do I do this? I'll just set it down flat. Let's see. Sorry, guys. I'm struggling a little with it here. Trying to get the camera positioned. I really hope you can see that fan. Maybe I'll move it a little. There, now you should be able to see it. Okay, now that you can see the fan, this will be forward on low. Silly me, I have it unplugged. Golly, I'm not paying attention today, sorry. Okay, now it should work. Low. It does have bad bearings, which I will likely have to replace, because I tried oiling these to no avail. It has a pretty normal low speed, and like I said, it wobbles. I think I'll do a remake video when I get the proper mounting hardware. I'm not going to run it on high for very long because it really wobbles on that binding wire. It's even wobbling a little now, I'll hold it. Pretty average low speed, okay, now medium. Oh, and by the way, this fan moves a lot of air. It blows a lot. Okay, high. It wobbles pretty badly. If I didn't hold it, it would probably fall. It moves air like crazy on high. Okay, now off. And I really don't think I need to show you reverse. I try to make these videos short. Has some nice stencil blades. But I will need to replace the bearings on it, but otherwise, yeah, it's restorable. Not exactly mint condition. It may look like it's mint condition in the video, but it isn't, really, trust me. It's tarnished and rusted on the inside. This fan was probably used outside. Well, that's all I wanted to show you, so, there's the fan again. I'll show you okay, there is this I wanted to show you.